kayo talaga ang daytime, Prince and
Oo, yun na yung title nyo, di ba?
Teleserye, daytime.
Di ba ate, katulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo, we don't let that yung title get into our heads. Kasi more than
kahapon
the
nga.
title, it's more rewarding talaga for us kapag may mga nakakasalubong kaming tao, sasabi nila, grabe yung show ninyo, na-inspire kami, na pinapasaya kami. Yun talaga yun, sulit na sulit lahat ng pagod, paghihirap namin dito. Kapag sinasabi nila sa amin na nagbibigay inspirasyon yung show nyo sa amin. Sana magtagal pa kayo para lagi kami mapasaya, di ba, nakakatuwa kayo, mga ganun, very positive
Pero
comments.
syempre
Yun
kasi
talaga
diba,
yun.
hindi nyo mapiplease lahat. Merong iba na parang, sila parang hindi ganun ka believe o na accepted. So,
na-threaten?
yun na. Na-prove nyo, na-prove nyo lalo na you deserve the title.
Honestly, we don't have to prove anything to anybody. If ever man, we just have to,
Give to God.
yeah, and also for us to, parang, ang tawag dyan, to be better pa. For us, para sa sarili namin, not for anybody else.
Saka, they're a very humble, they're humble people. So I guess, what ako, as mayabang joke lang, hindi, joke lang, yung ko, syempre, hindi naman nila pwedeng sabing, sila, they're just really grateful and humble for the blessings, and let the numbers tell everything. Gets mo yun? So, it's really more of, nagagalit si Kat. Then what I'm trying to say is, diba, the reason why they're given the title is because we got higher ratings. And we're really grateful about that. I mean, I don't think ABS will give them the title if we are not rating well. So mas more of I'm proud of them as my actors because they did it. They really work hard for sobra silang partners in crime. So bago sila yung title na yon, umiyak. Bago nila nakuha yung title na yon, they worked hard for it. Baka yun, it wasn't given to them in a silver platter. Parang gano'n. So,